For years, SD-WAN transformed the network, cutting MPLS costs while making broadband perform like a premium circuit. It delivered intelligent traffic steering and simple centralized control. Today, the real breakthrough is security and SD-WAN converged in one platform, one OS, one management, everywhere. With integrated security, organizations get secure local internet breakout, lower latency, and direct application access. Sites connect securely without SSE backhaul, and advanced inspection protects east-west traffic, shrinking the attack surface. And as teams adopt universal ZTNA, having the ZTNA gateway built into SD-WAN means consistent granular access for any user, app, or location. Converged security in SD-WAN, keeping traffic flowing securely, everywhere.